Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with Two Way Direct. Today I have the Turtleback Case radio holster. This leather case is made specifically to fit the Motorola CP200D radio. Today I'll be showing you how to install these. Since these are made out of leather, they are typically a tight fit the first time you use them. Before you get started, make sure to remove any belt clips you may have on the back of your radio. Now that you have it ready to go, we're going to put the radio in. This top piece goes around the antenna, and that's usually where I will start. And then on the side here, we have two snap buttons. One is a D-ring, so you can pull the leather strap through with the snap on the D-ring. And that's typically where I go next, just to keep it aligned. And again, this is going to be a tight fit because it is a leather product, so it does need to be stretched. So the first time will be a little snug. And once you have it snapped into place, then we can work on the top one and make sure everything is fitting nice and snug. So again, same thing here. You're going to need to stretch it as much as you can. It is customary to have a little bit of trouble fitting these cases on radios the first time. So you just have to be a little patient and work with the snap buttons that they have and stretch it out as much as possible. On the back, there is an adjustable heavy-duty belt loop. This has Velcro, so it fits most duty belts. To install it, simply slide the belt loop upside down, twist the belt loop, and lock it into place. If it's on your belt, you would just turn the radio upside down and slide it out. Something that our customers really like about this is that the top is still exposed, so you can easily turn your radio on and off. You can use the knobs, you can switch the channel very easily. The side has a window here, so you can still use your push-to-talk button. If you have programmed buttons on the side as well, they're easily accessible. The front of the case has a netting on the speaker to keep it functional, but it still keeps it protected. The side with the snap buttons is still open. This allows for you to connect any audio accessories like earpieces or remote speaker mics. What's great about this case is that the bottom of the radio remains uncovered to maintain the charging contacts when docked on the charger. So you still have access to charge it and you don't have to keep removing your case. To check out all the Turtleback cases that we offer, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.